everybody and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can generate an SSH key for GitHub. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. So first things first, you are going to head over to your command prompt. So you're just going to type in command prompt right here. And then from your command prompt, you're going to type in ssh-keygen. Now you're gonna hit on enter, and then from there you're gonna hit on enter once again and then again. Now from here, since I already have my SSH ID, you're just gonna copy this one until here, until SSH, and then from there, once you have it copied, you're gonna head over to your file explorer, and then you're gonna hit on this search bar here, and then you're going to paste this one. Now we're going to tap on enter, and then you'll be able to see your ID right here. Now you have here two files. This one, this first ID, it is a private file. Now you will see another ID right here, which is from Notepad. It is a public file. So how can you differentiate that? So you can see it right here as a file type. So this one is a pub file. So this is what we're going to need. So you just have to take that in mind. And now you have generated an SSH ID that you can place in your or on your GitHub. Now, how can we put that SSH key in GitHub? What you're going to do is you're going to hit on this profile icon in the top right corner of the screen, and then you're going to click on settings. Now, from the settings page, you're going to click on SSH and GPG keys from the left side panel, and then from here you can see the SSH keys section. What you're going to do is you're just going to click on new SSH key. You're going to add a title to that. I'm going to name it my desktop, and then from here you're just going to copy the code or the SSH key from the file. Now, one thing to take note of is that SSH keys always start with SSH or these formats. So if it doesn't start with these formats, that means your SSH key is most probably wrong, or you are trying to get it from someone else or something else. Now we're going to hit back on it. We're going to go here. We're going to copy our SSH code, and then from there we are going to paste it right here, and then click on add SSH key. And as you can see here, your SSH key will be added automatically. And that's it. That is how you can generate and add an SSH key to your GitHub account. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.